I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device has a fingerprint sensor and an up-to-date OS. This avoids compatibility issues. Next, make sure your battery is above 20% and unlock the phone with your PIN or password so enrollment is allowed. Once done, wipe the sensor and your finger to remove oil or dirt. That improves initial reads. Now open security or biometric settings and choose Add Fingerprint. Follow on-screen prompts and place different parts of the pad for a full template. You should position your finger at varied angles: center, left edge, right edge, and lift slowly between scans so the sensor learns the full pad. While registering, follow progress rings or bars. They indicate which areas still need captures. Make sure to repeat partial presses that feel uncomfortable. Those often capture useful edge data. After the template reaches completion, give the fingerprint a clear name, then enable it for device unlock, app authentication, and payment access so the sensor integrates with your workflows. Finish by testing the fingerprint unlock at least 5 times with different grips to ensure reliability. If you see false rejects, re-enroll the same finger or add a second finger to reduce lockouts. Make it a habit to re-register after significant skin changes like cuts, dryness, or prolonged glove use because templates degrade. If problems persist, delete biometric data, run any OS updates, and inspect the sensor for moisture or damage. If hardware appears faulty, contact support or a certified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.